This one and this one were planted in the same day, in the same time, but this one I left a runner on, and instead of going nearly 5 feet tall, it's grown about 2 feet tall, and it's the size of the tomatoes. Oh, a big difference compared to these. So I think one experiment is that if you leave all the suckers to grow, then you will get smaller tomatoes. But saying that, the plant next door has also got smaller tomatoes. So different theories for different reasons. The only difference being this is in a deeper tray than this one, and I think maybe the watering has something to do with it. But what a result, well pleased. Going to pick these today, so I'm making the most of it. How wonderful. So on this side I have the Gardener's Delight. These are a smaller tomato. And they're nice and juicy. There's not so many, a few in there, a lot smaller, but they are big old vines, and if you miss a sucker, they grow like anything. I have to tie them all in now because they're just growing like crazy.